Hello guys, welcome back and happy Friday everyone. So after a awesome webinar yesterday, Thursday, as you know, we have webinars Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday from 5 to 6 p.m. Live for free. You don't get charged anything. We had such a good conversation yesterday about the FOMC and about all the rates that are happening. And today in the morning, we had, well, not in the morning, it was midnight 15 for me in Australia. But anyways, we had the ECB interest rates decision. That's what I want to talk about today. So give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to always share this content with your friends that are looking to know a little bit more what is going on around the world, okay? Now that you've done this, most likely, subscribe, thumbs up, let's get into the video. So, ECB interest rates have cut, yes, as widely expected, 25 basis points, as widely expected, from 3.15% previously, now to 2.9%. The marginal lending facility rate was trimmed to 25 basis points as well, to 3.15%. But what most important to us is the ECB interest rates decision. That's what gets passed to the end consumer. Lagarde was not hesitant at all on doing the rates cutting. What is most important is that inflation is, yes, reducing at a very good level, coming down to the 2% to 3% target from the ECB perspective target, the inflation target. But is it really coming down, or what is it going on? Is it the cost of living rising when inflation is coming down, and then the central bank says that, well, inflation comes down but takes time to get, actually felt into the economy? I'm not too sure about it, because if we look to the cost of living and cost of prices, actual prices. So let's say I want to buy this, let's say this is a banana, I want to buy this banana for $2 into 2022, that was good. Now it's costing $3. Okay, because there's a 50% increase on cost of prices. So the inflation is coming down. Congratulations, that's a well-done job done from the central bank, but the cost of living is still rising. So what's going on here? The math doesn't, it's 2 plus 2 is equal 5 now. So what's going on? Well, that's exactly what they have been saying about the cost of living. The inflation is coming down, good work, central bank, but what's going on with us, the population? That this is what matters, the real estate, the shelter, the prices on gasoline, this is all continuing to go up. And we're not gonna have back what we had in 2019. So welcome to the new world. Welcome to the new perspective of living into a crisis that no one talks about. Now, will this be positive for the euro, or will this be negative for the euro? Look, I'm short euro and I'm short euro dollar since the beginning of this year, and I've been mentioning that for everyone. So my thesis is pretty simple. Donald Trump just announced a 25% tariffs on Mexico and Canada. Did you saw Canadian dollar? It tanked as US dollar CAD goes up very heavily. The next one will be China, okay? Be ready, China. You will be the next one to 10 to 15% on tariffs, and Chinese one will be devastated. And I'm long USD Chinese one as well. So the thesis here is pretty simple. Europe will try to make trade with US. They will try to. They can make trades with US. But the exportation and importations from Europe will decrease a lot. So the balance of payments will be close to maybe 10 to 15 to 20% reduction into the BOP from Europe. Then euro will be into a crisis. No one will want euro, and euro dollar will fall for the first quarter. That's my opinion. We have the central banks, ECB and FOMC and the Fed, basically being one hawkish and one dovish. They're not being dovish and hawkish, but they're playing like that. ECB is the dovish one and the Fed is the hawkish one. So basically a more hawkish perspective into the Fed makes the US dollar much more stronger and appealing to investors. As of the ECB, no one wants euro and already knows that the cost of living is increasing, as well as they're going to be having pretty bad news in a couple weeks ahead. So, pretty simple, I'm short euro dollar. Guys, that's all I have for today, and I hope you could extract something out of this video and share this with your friends when you're having a chat, this weekend or something like that. But don't forget, we're here every single day posting those videos to you. So subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. This is really important to us and help us a lot. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend, and I see you back on next Monday. See you guys. Bye-bye.